Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to upload ID for verification on Coinbase. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end and you will have the full information. Now once you get to the page, which is basically where you have to verify your identity, to upload the ID that you want, simply go to click on this button, verify your identity. So by clicking here, you're simply gonna choose one of these. And basically, if you clicked on here, you will be able to view other information related to the stuff that is related to you uploading your information, like your ID types. Because basically, when you are uploading here, you are actually like accepting them or agreeing to their to them and their service providers collection to use in storage of your biometric information for identity verification. So I don't know what they will do with it exactly, but yeah, before you get to upload anything, you must read this out or ask ChatGPT exactly what they will be doing with them. But overall, all this is left for you to do is choose what kind of ID type you would like to upload. I'm going to choose, for example, identity card. I'm going to choose it and then click on here and upload it. It's very simple. So here you need to have a picture of it from the front and here from the back, and please do not redact, watermark or otherwise obscure any part of your ID. This will help ensure that they can verify identity documents as quickly and as accurate as possible. So simply now all that is left for you is to take a picture with your phone, upload it to your PC and upload it back here. It's very simple. Just choose front and back, click on upload, and there you go. So yeah guys, that was complete it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.